Is Amazon mystery box a scam? Hello guys, Amazon mystery box, is that a scam? Find out if the Amazon mystery box is a scam. I ordered this in Amazon some days ago. I heard that they say there are a lot of things in this particular box. You can have phones, you can have like an electronics, a lot of things they mentioned that you can find in this mystery box. And I got excited and I ordered it. Even my husband ordered also. Lo and behold, this is what I got. Let's unbox it and see if the Amazon mystery box is a scam or not. So unbox with me. Here is the box. I'm just opening it now. Look at what is in the mystery box of 31 euro. Check if this is a scam or not. Here they put like cable, charging cable you can use to charge your phone. Look at it. You can see this is how it is, just like this. The charging, this is not it have different mouth socket. Like this is iPhone, this is other phones, so this is where you're going to plug it. This is one of things that is in this box. They call it Amazon mystery box. So check with me if Amazon mystery box is a scam. Let me just keep this aside. I just got this thing now. I say let me unbox it. And this is another thing that is inside this box. This is it. This is like a kid's toy. What am I doing with the toy? Although you can return it, but I hate returning things. Going to post and returning, and I don't like it. Look, Amazon mystery box. Amazon mystery box. Christmas geschenk. Christmas gift. Look at, what is this? Maybe this is for car or what? I don't understand. Maybe I have to hang it on my car. Amazon mystery box. Is that a scam? Just look at, this is what I found there. Now too, let's see other things here. Other things I can see here is these two here. Let's see what is here. Let's first of all open this. Let's first of all open this and see what is inside it. This is bracket. They say this is a bracket. The bracket, okay, it's like what you can use to a phone stand. Let's see. What is this? What is this? Oh my goodness. Just imagine 31 euro. 31 euro. Do you know how much this 31 euro is? Look at what I found here. There. This is like something you can use to stand a phone stand. Look at, and it's made of plastic. It's made of plastic. Okay. Look at it here. Look at it. I don't know. I will find out what is this exactly. They call it bracket. Okay, look at. So the last one here is Bluetooth. You see it, Bluetooth. This Bluetooth, I don't know, is it for what? Okay, let me read the pack a little bit. They say this headset Bluetooth stereo headset. The remote, photograph, multi-point functions, IQS battery, display, voice prompt, Bluetooth. Look at, guys. So this is just like this. Look at it. Yeah, okay, it's a Bluetooth. You can use it. Maybe you can use it to put on your ear and also listen to your music. This is a socket you can use to charge, maybe to charge it. Yeah, this is the socket to charge it, guys. Let me know if what I got, I showed you now, is it worth 31 euro? Is Amazon mystery box a scam? Let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to share this. If you have not gotten your mystery box in Amazon, let me know if you're going to get with what you are seeing today, or it is a scam. I don't know. Is Amazon mystery box a scam. Thank you for watching. Mwah. Bye.